Just tie up a few more odds and ends. She'll be ready to run. Been working on this thing since November. Would have had it done sooner, but I hate working in the cold. I despise it. My shop's not heated yet, so yeah. But big fan of the 720s. Ever since I was a kid. This is an 84. And I had the radio controlled toy when I was about 7. Exactly like this. So I'm pretty stoked to have the real version, the real life car. This is probably the cleanest example anybody could ever hope for. It's the body is ridiculous. This was somebody's baby. No rust on it whatsoever on the body or the frame. Just a little bit of wear and tear on the inside that I plan on completely restoring. In fact, I think it's been stolen. The steering column's busted up. I'm a little suspicious of that, but hey, it checked out clean. So anyway, I got Moses and the 10 Commandments up there. He stays. He made the trek from Idaho. Just a beautiful freaking truck, man. Need a new shift boot, floor mats, and I'm probably going to get a spray-in bed liner, I'm thinking, just to preserve the bed and just improve the look of it. But yeah, it's just fucking awesome. Love it. I'm gonna get rid of those wheels. I'm not really happy with them. I'm gonna put some black steel pro comps on it or something. There's the exhaust pipe, or downpipe anyway, the catalytic converter. Took a wire wheel, got all the rust off of it, sprayed it down with some high temperature black. So I'm waiting on a gasket, reinstall that, but that won't take long. Nissan King Cab. Freaking gorgeous. Yes, sir.